All right, so what the hell is it?
A Benjamin Discovery 22 caliber PCP rifle.
That is dope.
Pneumatic pump.
All right. Let's see if he can hit this Coke can.
Probably not.
Damn.
I think I hit it.
You didn't hit it, you hit the tree. Do it again. Man, shut up, man.
Hey, on the porch.
It's a BB gun. She don't like BB guns.
Not hungry. That was out there in the woods.
You suck.
You want to try it?
No. Hell yeah, I want to try it. What kind of question is that?
Hey, babe, see, there's a dog out there in the woods.
What?
There's a dog out there in the woods.
Nice.
Looks like a polar bear. It does. It's huge.
Yeah.
It's ready to go.
All right. Let's check this rascal out. What the hell? I can't see through the sight. How do you even see through these things? Oh, this sucks. Oh. Man, I was right on it. What happened to your sight or your scope?
Probably got knocked off.
Dude, that thing is dope. Yo, bust a hole in the door. Let's see what it does. Shoot the door. Is it going to go through it or is it going to come back?
It'll go through it. That silencer really works because it sounds like a real rifle one.
Y'all turn your head. Go. Did it go through? Damn! Damn, it peeled it back. Look, Josh. It peeled it back right there.
Damn.
That thing is serious.
You don't
Man,
wanna
you
get hit
shoot
by
somebody with that shit, y'all ain't friends no more. Well, guys, we're going to put the camper, set it up over here, and eat.
Shoot guns.
Shoot BB guns and shit. Oh, you got the damn pellets for it. All right. Oh, yeah. Hey, friends. Hey, friends. Hey, friends.